Top 7 home service website development companies in USA. Explore the top home service website development companies in the USA delivering secure, scalable, and user-friendly service platforms. Techanic Infotech develops home service websites with booking, payments, and seamless customer experiences. CrinPro Solutions builds scalable home service platforms with scheduling and secure payment integration. WillowTree creates innovative home service websites with AI features and responsive user experiences. Dogtown Media develops custom home service websites with booking and secure payment solutions. Sidebench builds scalable home service websites with workflow automation and seamless integrations. Blue Label Labs creates high-performance home service platforms with booking and real-time notifications. TechAhead develops scalable home service websites with provider management and customer support. Techanic Infotech builds secure, scalable home service websites with booking, scheduling, and secure payments. Contact Techanic Infotech today.